Hello and welcome to another episode of the Shamir Shah Project. I hope you guys are well. I have absolutely pristine blue skies above me. The foliage and the woods and all parts of nature are in blossom and green, and I'm in the middle of it all, so I'm very happy. I'm glad you're here. I hope you enjoy this little hike. It's not a very long hike, probably about 6-7 mile hike that I'm doing today. It is a solo hike. I'm not guiding anybody and I have nobody with me, but I'm just getting out and enjoying this beautiful day. It has rained so much day before yesterday that all the little streams are actually flowing. We've had non-stop rain since January, and finally I feel like we're going into summer, which is good that it's rained because spring does need lots of water. The plants, the trees, the bushes, the meadows, the animals require a lot of water. And so it's not a bad thing, but it is very, very soggy out here. It is extremely soggy. Something very strange is happening in this part of the woods. There's a dead bird right there. It's a rather large bird. You can see the wings, the head, the body, the tail. That's a big bird. And why I say very strange, because I just spotted this right here. That's another bird. The wings, the body, the head and the beak. All while coming along this trail. Very strange. Very strange. I'm quite deep in the woods. And as I get deeper and deeper, there's so much birdsong. It's incredible. It's really beautiful, actually. I might pop myself down here for a little bit on this log and sit down and just listen to the birdsong. Wow, incredible, absolutely incredible. This place has so many confusing trails. One down there, the one I've just come from, one going that way, one going that way, and another one going down this way. It's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful woodland. It's a lovely day, which inspires me even more. And the soggy terrain doesn't really bother me. I think it's fine. It's perfectly fine. If you've got the right clothing on and the right boots and the right attire, you're okay. You will do fine. I'm absolutely loving this, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been roundabout coming up to a 6.5 mile hike, all on single track, which is brilliant. Well, mostly 90% single track. And a lot of the routes I've actually planned myself, but also done ad hoc while I've been here. So that's been quite cool. Hope you've had a great weekend wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing today and the rest of these weeks, which you should be enjoying because we're heading into summer and it's starting to really warm up. Peace.